Said it once, said it twice, said it hurts, but I do it again. I don't change, hold on, I can't let it end. Said it's gone, let it be, cause you don't need a friend. Maybe I pull and you push and we cry till we laugh and get high. Promise you, you promise me, back in them why. Cause it all fall apart in just a matter of time. So I'm thinking, maybe made up your mind. I can't stand to fight no more, so hurt you like I do. I don't really trust myself to leave, even though I keep saying, baby, no, 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 no. I can't take no more of this.
I don't wanna run no more. I know that if I stop, I'll be another nigga headed to heaven, hanging with Pop. These motherfuckers look at me like I'm a slanger, making threats to my family, dog. I'm in danger. Who do you call when these angels want you dead? And they hit these penitentiaries and niggas make a plan, so I dip it up the fed. All my homies stuck out on indictments, caught up on the phone talking prices. 25 to life's the mandatory minimum. My whole community is feeling like they criminals. Crying convictions, getting motherfuckers hung. Gotta see out on the inside and everybody's gone. Mothers and fathers separated from their sons. Households are broken, you couldn't hold your tongue. If it's yours, say it's yours, take the case, do your time. Now you getting money from it, everything is fine. Now you crying in your cell, stressing on the case. And the DA's at a nigga every other day. I can see it in your face, in the middle of your soul. You in question of your manhood, homie. We don't talk to police, we don't make a peace bond. We don't trust in the judicial system, we shoot guns. We rely on the streets, we do battle in the hood. I was born in the G code, embedded in my blood. We don't talk to police, we don't.
The way that you're walking, the way that you're talking, you're the one I wanna spend this night with, trying to get in them talks till the morning. I can already tell you want it, cause you're shaking it off for me, giving it all to me, rubbing that body. Keep on shaking it off for me, giving it all to me, rubbing that body. Hey, how you doing, mama? I need to know your name. You giving me the eye, I'm giving you the same. It's just do me right now, what we should do today. Go tell your friends bye-bye, and let's go out for blame. There's no mistaking me, it's ironic. I wanna make you someone more than just my closet. I wanna win that type of relationship where you gon' wanna come hang when your man's in trip. You say you're short this much, and you laid on your friend. You took your car, but you really own it.
I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Cause I know I don't know the pain. You have been doing no one else can. Got me looking crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking crazy right now.
Ada apa ya?
Pakistan. When I was young, my mama had me 17. So back at the time, I never thought I'd see a face. Ain't a woman alive back in days my mama's place. Spending from school, scared to go home. I was with the big boys. reminisce on the stress I caused. It was hell, hugging on my mama from a jail cell. And who think it never mentioned me? Hey, I see the penitentiary one day, running from the police. That's right. Mama catch me for the whoop in my backside. And even as a crack queen, mama, you always was the black queen, mama. I finally understand for a woman it ain't easy trying to raise a man. You always was committed. For a single mother on welfare. Tell me how you did it. There's no way I can do it. But the plan is to show you that I understand. You all appreciate it. Dear mama, you all appreciate it.
Pero no, si voy a gritarle a